This 5-minute solution will show you how to make white background or remove background in iPhone. If you have a photo in your iPhone and you want to remove the photo background, just follow these simple steps. So I will show you very easiest method to remove any photos background without installing any third-party application. So all you have to need is just open a browser and type remove.bg. Open this website, and once you are in the website, tap on upload image, photo library, and select the photo. Tap on choose. Once the photo uploaded, here we can see the background has been removed. If I select original, here you can see the original photo, and after removed the background, this is the result. And now to download the video, tap on download, and the downloaded photo will stored in your files app. So go to your files app, and here you will see the background removed photo. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.